Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to add quotes in Snapchat snaps and stories. Whether it's a motivational quote or a fun caption, I'll guide you through a step-by-step process. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Snapchat app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Here you can take a photo, record a video or upload a picture from gallery. If you want to upload a picture from gallery, tap on overlapping cards over here. This will open your memories. Now select the photo that you want to keep as a background for the quote. Once you have selected your snap, tap on T icon on top right corner of the screen. This will open the text box where you can type your quote. Like this, you can even change the font by swiping this up. And you can change the color by swiping this section. And if you want to add background, tap on this section and this will change your background. Once you are done, tap on tick. Now you can pinch or expand the text using the fingers to resize it. Drag it across the screen to position it where you want. You can place it at the center, corner or anywhere that fits your snap. Once you are happy with how your quote looks like, tap on send button in bottom right corner and share it with your friends. And that's how you can add quotes to a snap on Snapchat. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you next one.